Hello guys, this is Jobs Travels. For today's video, I'll be unboxing uh, a gift from a good friend in YouTube world. A gift from Mama Zell, Angel of Hope, all the way from Germany. We've met Mama Zell in YouTube like few months ago, and finally, just today. We'd met in Dubai because she visited Dubai with her husband for some uh, important matters about their business. But surprisingly, I received gifts from her. And also, I received a gift from a good friend of mine also who lives in Dubai, who's working in Emirates Airlines. No other than my beautiful Seswang, my beautiful sister, Jeffrey Morrison Blogs. And I'm very sorry I did not prepare any gifts for them. Maybe next time when we met, I'll, I'll give you gifts. And maybe um, like a souvenir from Giovz Travels. Well, this all are the gifts, pasalubong or something. So I will maybe unboxing. So let's see. Well, let's start from all the way from Germany. So what's inside with this paper bag and cellophane? And what is this? Virgin Relay or something. I cannot read it. Belfachum Vivin. No, it's German language, so I cannot read it. So let's take it one by one. Oh, I've got a personalized mug. This one is one of my group chat in Facebook, and we had a group chat International Giving Angels. It's like all the members are, I mean, they're sharing their blessings, like a charity group chat. We call it International Giving Angels. Thank you so much, Inay, for making that group chat for the charity bloggers, and I hope uh, all the members will support and more blessings to come. So this is the first gift from Inay. Thank you so much, Inay. Second one is this one. I think this is a bear mug. Let me put this away. So, what's in this? Dutchland. Dutchland also means Germany. This German language. This one, yeah, bear glass. I'm not mistaken. So what's inside with this one? I'll let you see. Oh my god, so this is it. It's very nice, guys. Thank you so much, Mama Zell Angel of Hope, for this very nice mug, bear mug. And wait, there is still inside. What's this? Ta-dang! I give a can opener. Or, yeah, can opener. This one. With this Germany. Sa name it. Thank you so much, Inay. Thank you, thank you. This one. And next, what's inside this again? Da-da-da-dun, 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 dun, 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 dun. Ta-dang! This wine all the way from Germany, guys. What's the name? Look. Kalyechu Bergeron? Hindi ako marunong bumasa. 14% alcohol content. This is 750 ml. Let me check. Chachu Chilichu Volcheron. Tasting 90% Merlot, curvillage, so round and fruity with beautiful length on the palate. A perfect match for grilled beef, roasted bell, and soft cheeses. Serve at room temperature 15 to 18 degrees Celsius or 59 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Aging potential is 10 years. Share our passion, experience the authentic taste of our region. The winemaker, is all the way Murray Ferry Dirt here. And this wine is made from Germany. The only wine sold with the wine maker. I don't know. But thank you so much, Ina. I so love wine also because a glass of wine a day is good for the heart. So thank you so much, Inay. Talagang dinala mo to. All the way from Germany to guys. All the way from Germany. Thank you. And ta-dang! Oh, this one is from Jeffrey Marson Blog. Thank you so much, Seswang Jeffrey. Grabe, napakabait na bata, tao, babae, lalaki. Joke lang, Seswang, ha? Thank you so much. You are my sister now. Thank you so much for your generosity and also Mama Zell Angel of Inay. Thank you so much. I'm very so happy to meet all of you, or both of you guys. Thank you so much. I thought hindi tayo magkikita. Akala ko sa YouTube lang tayo magkikita, like sa live streaming lang tayo. Pero I do believe Earth, or what a small world after all, because nakita-kita din tayo, no? Like my time in God's will. So, what's inside with this paper bag? Emirates official store talaga. Grabe. Parang binili ata to sa Emirates store ni Seswang. Thank you. Ta-da! Let me see what's inside. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's inside in this Emirates Airlines t-shirt. Thank you so much, Inay. Sorry. Jeffrey Marson Blog, thank you so much for this very nice t-shirt from Emirates Airline. Let me check. Today, guys, look, it's very nice. I need to study. Let me check. Thank you so much, Seswang Jeffrey. It's so nice. Another collection. Emirates. Diba? Maganda. So this one is very nice, guys. Thank you so much, Jeffrey Marson Vlogs, and also to Mama Cell Angel of Hope. Thank you so much. Itong lahat, guys. Ito. Dapat hawakan ko talaga lahat siya. Para ko to siya. Para makita sa vlog ko. Diba? Ito lahat ang binigay from Inay, Mama Zal, Angel of Hope, and Jeffrey Marsan Blog. Please subscribe their channel, guys. Grabe, mga mabait na tao sa mundo ng YT. And not only sa mundo ng YT, but also sa real world. They are so generous, loving. Kung anong nakikita nyo sa mga vlogs and sa live streaming nila, ganun din sila sa personal and sa real world. Hindi ako na-expect na magkita kami. At dito pa talaga sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Talagang naggahi ako all the way from Al Ain, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, papuntang Dubai like 2 hours just to meet Inay na galing pa siya ng Germany kasi may business siya na inatupag doon sa Dubai. And I'm so blessed to meet this kind of people, guys. So, love those people who love you and treat you well. And just ignore to those who don't. And just still smile to those people who hates you. And because life is too short to wake up with regrets. Again, Inay, Mama Zell, Angel of Hope, Mama Zell's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Kung ano ka talaga sa live streaming mo, kung sa pag-meet natin sa YT, ganun ka din sa personal. And also to Seswang Jeff. Seswang, malapit lang tayo, like 2 hours away lang tayo. Pero because of our busy lives here in United Arab Emirates, I'm here in Abu Dhabi and you are in Dubai. Magkaibang tayo Emirates, pero we have time to meet in person. And hopefully, one day magkikita-kita ulit tayong dalawa with Inay, or we will fly to Germany soon if this pandemic ends and if God's permit. And I hope and I pray that everything will be back to normal soon para makapag-travel na tayo sa Sumang at magbisitahin natin si Inay there in Germany. Because I miss traveling. That's why I called my channel Giovz Travels, because I'm not rich, but I can travel because I work and save money and travel and repeat. That's ganun lang. Let's enjoy life to the fullest. Again, Inay, thank you so much sa gift mo sa akin at also sa Swang Jeffrey Marsan. Thank you so much. And God bless us all. God bless you, Inay, Mama Sel. God bless you, Sis Wang Jap. Thank you so much. And please like, subscribe my channel, Giovz Travels. And also, please like, subscribe, comment, Mama Sel's Angel of Hope, Mama Sel's Kitchen, and also Jeffrey Marsan Blog. They are very good people, guys. Thank you so much. And until we meet again soon. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Again, this is Giovz Travels saying, Charara!